Hello again, and happy Halloween. Today, we will be designing a witchy-themed fireplace and floor design for Halloween. I will be adding more decorating tutorials on this theme throughout the week, so please look out for those. There will be a list of items used in the description and links to my other Halloween decorating tutorials, so please check those out. Now, let's get started on this magical project. To kick things off, I brought out my prized Bethany Lowe black cat figure. It was such a rare find, and I've actually had it tucked away in storage for 3 years, just waiting for the perfect spooky display. Next, I added these fun black light-up trees I snagged from Walmart ages ago. They glow in both purple and orange, which gives the setup that eerie Halloween glow. To layer in some texture, I used a festive fall wreath from Walmart, along with a garland I picked up at Home. And for a little extra charm, I couldn't resist these Halloween tiered trays from Target's Dollar Spot. They came with adorable mini potion bottles that I styled along the sides of the display. Next, I found these glass globes in the clearance section of Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure what they're used for, but I thought they looked like crystal balls, so I added them in. While shopping at Home, I came across these gorgeous purple potion bottles. My color scheme this year is orange, purple, and black, but I realized I didn't have much in the way of purple accents. So when I spotted these, I grabbed them and got one for free with my store coupon. To make them stand out, I tucked a little piece of Dollar Tree styrofoam underneath so they'd sit higher than the front garland. I love how it gives the bottles a bit more presence in the display. What do you think? Do they add that perfect pop of purple? A few years back, while browsing Ross, I stumbled on these witchy astral teacups tied up with a ribbon. They were such a fun little find, and a total bargain, that I knew they'd add a quirky touch to my witch display. To give them a magical glow, I popped a tea light inside each one, which you'll get to see shining at the end. To soften things up, I added these orange fall flowers in the back. I also added white lights to the wreath and garland. What do you think so far? I then added some purple fairy lights in the back that matched the purple lights in the trees. The white lights light up the orange elements but also light up the scene so you can see it better in the dark. To finish the top, I added some purple butterflies that I got at Michael's and purple ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Let's give this a closer look before we design the floor. On the sides of the fireplace, I stacked some Dollar Tree books for height, and then added these purple witch lanterns that I got on clearance at CVS. I also added a Target Dollar Spot tree and a mini book in the back. Next, I layered in a few fun accents: a plush purple velvet pumpkin from Dollar Tree, this year's light-up cat from Michael's, and a little book and pumpkin combo, also from Dollar Tree. Together, they add some extra charm and interest to the display. Between the cat and the books, I tucked in some fall floral picks to soften the look. Then I layered in white lights up front and purple lights in the back for a cozy glow. I didn't want to overclutter the display this year, so I kept it simple, though I couldn't resist finally bringing out my crow lanterns after holding onto them for 3 years. Now let's take a closer look at the full display. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. For the finishing touch, I'd love to add some paper bats or crows fluttering around the wreath, but I haven't been able to track any down just yet. Be sure to follow along for more Halloween decorating tutorials with this witchy theme, and don't miss my other spooky setups featuring classic Halloween, vampires, the Headless Horseman, and more. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe, and as always, have a happy Halloween.